What's up, guys? So me and Rachel decided to take a quick trip to the Smoky Mountains this weekend. My mom decided she wanted to come up and watch our kid, and so we thought, what could we do? We were going to go to the beach, but we decided to come on up to the Smoky since the trails are open, and we're here at the NOC now. I'm going to try to get Rachel into a pair of Ultras. Maybe not. I think they would be comfortable enough to hike in on the first day, but maybe not. Mine definitely were. I love them to death. I think she's gonna love them once she gets into them. But anyway, so we're gonna go in here to the NOC, try to find her some shoes, and then we're going to Cucumber Gap, I believe it is. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna try to make this video a little shorter than I have been making my other ones, because the last one I edited was like an hour. So I want this to be a lot shorter, a lot prettier. I'm not gonna do as much talking. So I'll try to get all my details out of the way here. We're gonna go to Cucumber Gap and do that, and then just hang out in town, eat steak dinner tonight or something like that. Nothing too fancy. So anyways, you guys stay tuned for some good times. So we left the NOC and we were gonna go to Cucumber Gap and this really cool trail. I've already forgotten the name of it. It's supposed to be really pretty along the side of the river the whole way, but road's closed. Elkmont Road's closed, so we could not do that. We're now drove back down for service, so we can possibly find another trail to go on that the road's not closed on. And so I just wanted to update you guys on that whole situation. I mean, it's probably like noon now, maybe 12 or 1. Time is slowly slipping away from us, but we are going to try to get on a trail today. If not, then I'll just be hanging out on the river or something. I'm not sure. Seems like everything's super closed down. So Laurel Falls was closed, but it was packed. I mean, there was people tore the barriers down. There's trail marker signs everywhere that said closed, and people were tearing the barriers down. It's crazy out here in the Smokies. So either so far everything we found is packed or closed. But we're gonna find something try to find something that's a little more difficult, and hopefully there won't be as many people on the trails if it's a little more difficult. So we will see. We'll see you guys hopefully at a trailhead in the next few minutes. What's up, guys? So we are at the Sinks in Gatlinburg here, and we are also at what's the trailhead name? Meigs Creek trailhead. It's about 5 mile. We're not real sure. We've been scrambling to find a place to hike. We finally found a parking spot. We got really lucky on our parking spot. Finally found a place to hike. So we're gonna check this trail out. It's supposed to be a lot of river crossings, creek crossings. Feet are gonna get wet. So anyways, yeah, here's the Sinks. They're very pretty. Okay, so we're finally on the trail. Finally on the trail. Beautiful, beautiful rhododendron forest of the Great Smoky Mountains. Rhododendron rainforest. Love rhododendrons. I don't think they've bloomed, or maybe they've already bloomed, but they're beautiful when they have flowers on them. Beautiful. Just imagine all these covered in flowers. Whole hillside, mountainsides. Huge trees, rhododendrons. Love them. We're on Meigs Creek Trail, and should be coming up on a waterfall soon. I'm not sure, but like I said, I'm gonna do a little less talking in this video, try to show you guys some more of the scenery and less of my pretty face, which I know that's what you guys are here for. Man, let me just go ahead and say this. Yeah, so this is gonna be my coronavirus rant, okay? It just doesn't make sense. So the Smokies has opened. It's like this phased opening type thing. Doesn't make sense because there's just as many people here as normally would be. They've got half the stuff closed. So they got half the roads closed, half the trails closed, but there's just as many tourists here. So it's like they're compacting people closer together versus spreading them out, making an effort to spread them out. It doesn't make sense, really. Once they said that the restaurants were opening and stuff like that, and shopping malls, they should have known that the trailheads were going to be, I mean, we've been down here on non-coronavirus and you have to walk a mile after parking just to get to the trailhead. So they should have known. People are tearing barriers down and hiking anyways. Crazy. It's a frenzy. It's a madhouse. It's really a wonder we got a parking spot. Seems backwards to me. Maybe I'm wrong. You tell me. I mean, there's a swimming hole down here at the sink. Took some videos of some people doing some flip off of this bluff, and there's probably 30, 40 people at the bottom camping. Not camping, hanging out at the water. Like, not social distance. So they're just concentrating to this place because all the popular waterfalls and swimming holes are closed. I don't know. Like I said, maybe it's backward. Maybe it's me, maybe it's Maybelline, who knows. Anyways, like I said, here's gonna be some of the beauty we're gonna be experiencing on this trail, and we're in Tennessee, so it's gonna be pretty as always, so stay tuned. Got Rachel a pair of shoes like mine, brand new, sparkling shiny. Just got them off the store shelf. Not for long. Hey, pretty girl, you like Mom's new shoes? You like Mom's new shoes? Yeah. So yeah, as long as I'm in the woods hiking, I'm happy. I don't care what shoes you're wearing, Mom. Ain't that right?
They look amazing.
Yeah, so got her some brand new Ultras. I love mine, absolutely love them. So maybe she will too, we'll see. Have a hard time getting her into good shoes. She's kind of picky when it comes to that. Well, kinda, it's odd. She's just an odd bird. Anyways, back to the scene. Meigs Creek crossing number 4, here we go. Whoa! Yeah. Oh, that is cold. But much better. It's hot out here. So, after cooling off and our heads in the water for a minute, we have made it to Meigs Creek, Cascades. Pretty big little waterfall. Pretty big little. Fall or something interesting. What's up, guys? So we have just pretty much made it back to the sinks. We went about 2 miles up to the Meigs Creek Cascades. Beautiful, very pretty. If the water were a little warmer, I'd be in it for sure, and I have my trunks. We're thinking about going back and getting our suits, but man, I don't know if we'll ever get a parking spot. So if we leave, it's gonna be hard to get back in for sure. So anyways, yeah, so beautiful trail. It was an awesome awesome little hike. It was a little steep in places, but beautiful, nice weather, nice breeze, nice and warm out. So yeah, now we've got an idea, and hopefully it'll work out. So stay tuned and you'll see what it is. Should be very cool, very interesting. So we decided to come down to the pool at our hotel and catch some sun before it went down, and we're gonna head out to town tonight to have some dinner. But we just made reservations for tomorrow for a helicopter tour, so pretty excited about that. Never been in a helicopter, so you guys stay tuned for that. But for now, we're gonna play around in the pool for a little bit and try to get some sun for next weekend's camping trip at the else had an hour-and-a-half wait. So we decided to come to Cracker Barrel with a 30-minute wait, and then we're gonna get some dinner, and then we're going to probably get some fresh donuts. What's up, guys? So we are at the Island Market shopping mall, and we're gonna try to get on the Ferris wheel with Nora. We're gonna see if they'll let us, see if she's old enough, but if not, is what it is. If so, then should have a pretty cool view. So stay tuned for Okay, so we decided not to do the Ferris wheel because it's about $15 a person for one ride, and Nora could have come for free, which is no big deal. And we decided to take that extra money and do the longer helicopter trip tomorrow, because we're taking a helicopter up tomorrow, and it is gonna be epic, and I cannot wait. So I think it was actually like exactly $30 more for us to do the longer helicopter ride. And so we just decided Ferris wheel, longer in the helicopter, we're just gonna do that. So anyways, I think we're gonna head back to the hotel room now. Hotel, head back to the hotel, crash out, and more than likely, probably won't see you guys again till in the morning. So good night, and sleep well, sleep tight. See you tomorrow.